Hello students. The question says Deo chooses two digits at random without replacement from the 9-digit number 1 1. There are four threes and three fives. Now, first part of the question says find the probability that the two digits chosen are equal. Now, for the first part, the two digits chosen, that means the probability of choosing 1 comma 1 or means to add, the probability of choosing 3 comma 3 or means a plus sign, or the probability of choosing 5 comma 5. So these three are the probabilities in which the digits will be same. So if I'm talking of choosing 1 comma 1, so since there are two ones there, so the probability will be 2 by 9. And since I've chosen one digit, so the sample set goes down by 1 and we are left out with one digit to be chosen out of 8 digits. Similarly, as we can see that there are four threes, so the probability will be 4 by 9, and again the sample set goes down by 1. So we are left out with 3 by 8. And simultaneously for 5, it's 3 by 9 into 2 by 8. So if I add up all these probabilities, so I'll get something as 5 by 18. In decimals, it should be 0.278. That's the answer for the first part of the question. Moving on to the second part, it says find the probability that one digit is a 5 and one digit is not a 5. So if I'm talking about the second part, so that literally means either first digit can be 5 and second digit is not a 5, or means to add, the first digit is not a 5 and the second digit is a 5. So these two cases suffices the need that one digit is 5 and one digit is not a 5. So to select first, it should be 3 by 9 into 6 by 8. Since it's not a 5, so it will be selected from 1, 1 and 3, the 6 digits which are shown over here. Now, first, it's not a 5, so it should be clearly 6 by 9 into it's a 5, so it should be 3 by 8 because there are three fives. So if I add up to this becomes 36 by 72, that is 0.5. That's the answer for the second part of the question. Moving on to the third part of the question, this is a sum on conditional probability. It says that find the probability that first digit Deo choose was a 5, given that the second digit he chose is not a 5. So in this case, first we'll find the case of 5 intersection 5 dash. That means first digit is a 5 and second is not a 5. So clearly that can be done in 3 by 9 ways because there are three 5 digits and the other one is not a 9. So there are 6 such digits which is not a 9. So this comes as 1 by 4. Secondly, if I'm finding the probability of a digit not being 5, so obviously 1 by 4 plus the same thing which we wrote 6 by 9. So it will not be a 5. And then again 5 by 8 because we have already chosen one digit from not 5. That means from 3s and 1s. So that is 5 by 8 here. So the answer to this is 48 by 72. So if I'm going for the conditional probability part where 5 and we say it's not a 5. So the formula for that is P 5 intersection 5 dash divided by P of 5 bar. So we can write P of 5 intersection 5 dash divided by P of 5 bar. I put down those values as 1 by 4 divided by 48 by 72. So my answer to this question will be 3 by 8. That's an answer for the third part of the question. Thank you, students.